Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Cloudflare DNS for your website. So this is helpful because Cloudflare can improve your website speed and security. So first, go to Cloudflare build for the agent era, create a free account and log in. Click the option to add a domain, then enter your website's domain name and continue. So choose to enter the DNS records manually. If an AI crawler option appears, select do not block, then choose the free Cloudflare plan. Next, click Add Record and select A as the record type. Enter at the symbol in the name field, and for the IP address, copy the hosting IP from your web hosting dashboard and paste it into Cloudflare. Save the record, then click Continue to Activation. So Cloudflare will now give you two name servers. Open your domain provider, find the name server settings, and replace the current name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes, return to the Cloudflare, and click I updated my name servers. The verification may take a few hours or up to 24 hours, so you can also use a DNS checker to track the update. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.